Hello travelers, it's Kristi here with Motorhomes of Texas, and it is a privilege today to bring you on a tour of this exquisite 2023 Entegra Anthem that we have on the lot. This coach features 4 slides, so as soon as you walk inside, you are going to see a large, expansive living area. I love that they've allowed some nice creature comforts of residential living included in this motorhome, as you'll see a large screen TV and a fireplace. When you move across the coach, this beautiful long sofa here creates that theater seating that a lot of individuals like. And then of course, Entegra spared no expense in making sure that you can relax in comfort with dual electric recliners. Moving across the coach, they did outfit it with some dinette seating. This table can move in and out to expand as needed. The galley area is nice. Look at this beautiful quartz countertop that you see, and they've allowed a lot of cooking space, setting out whatever items that you need, including enjoying some nice wine. They featured and brought out an expandable island, so you do increase that workspace. I love having a farm sink in a motorhome. It makes it so much easier when you're having to do prep and cleanup. Now, Entegra got fancy schmancy on this one by taking the cover for your stove and moving it into a cutting board. You've got your nice other residential appliances, including your convection oven and a residential size refrigerator. From the front to the rear of this coach, you will be impressed with all of the wonderful storage. We've got big, deep drawers that really increase the capacity of what you are able to bring into this motorhome. Now, something that is unique about this particular model, it does have just one bathroom in it, as far as one main potty room, so to speak. But they did put it in the midsection of this coach. They still continued with your dual sinks, which I am a huge fan of when traveling with the husband. You have access to this lavatory while you are in travel mode, so no having to crawl over beds. I enjoy this nice spacious interior here in your master suite. They did include the king size bed, and there is more than enough room on both sides for you to get around, especially if you're having to make that bed. As you cruise into the walk-in closet, yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is a full walk-in closet. And Entegra made sure there was enough built-in cabinetry, so it really does maximize the use of that space. I love this nice, subtle tile flooring that moves from the front to the rear of the coach. Now, Entegra did an amazing job also and outfitted this coach to run on a 450 diesel engine. If the interior isn't enough with this striking white and dark wood that gives a nice, classy feel, the first thing you're going to see walking up to this coach on the exterior is a beautiful paint job. They really outdid themselves on the color scheme of a red and a black. It is beautiful. This coach is outfitted for some outdoor entertainment. It has an outdoor TV, an outdoor freezer refrigerator in your bay, and all of the push button bay door locks. Now, take a look at what Entegra did over here. They have outfitted this coach with some state-of-the-art technology in form of a full display to give you an overhead 360 view of the coach while you are in transit. There's a beautiful, big, large dash display which lights everything up. You know how the coach is functioning, what's going on as you are humping it up and down the road. I think Entegra packed everything. They've made sure that you will travel in comfort and style, and when you reach your destination, you are going to enjoy this coach on the inside and out. I think that Entegra did a great job, and Motorhomes of Texas is ready to get you out on the road. So come check it out at Motorhomes of Texas here in beautiful Nacogdoches, Texas.